The best way to understand how to handle the car as a beginner, how to stop in time without overshooting the desired point, such as a stop line or traffic lights. Under supervision, get in the car and test things out. Accelerate and then try to stop and then reverse back. Accelerate a little bit and then again you stop. Try to avoid hitting brakes too suddenly, because it's not going to be comfortable if you do it too suddenly. The brake has a bit of a dead space, you know. It's similar to biting point on the clutch. So initially, when you press the brake, it's not going to react. It's got a bit of a free move until it starts to brake. So you know it's not going to stop immediately. Once you know the capability of your car, you're going to be far more comfortable slowing down, stopping, moving backwards and forward. Initially, when you're braking, you can brake a little bit more intensely, but towards the end, ease off the pressure. So ease off at least a few pounds of pressure on the brake, and then you're going to stop smoothly. The efficiency of your driving lessons will depend on what you do and how well you understand the capability of your vehicle. Every car feels different, but spend some time in the car. Test it out. See how quickly it stops. See how quickly it accelerates. It's very much the same as walking the street and trying to cross the street. Often when we ask learner drivers, why do you feel more comfortable crossing the street versus driving the car? They would say because they're more experienced. They have crossed streets so many times, you know, as pedestrians. But let's just translate your pedestrian skills into driving. The reason you feel comfortable crossing the street is because you know the ability of your feet, how quickly you need to step across. It's very much the same with cars. If you accelerate, try to see how long it'll take you to slow down smoothly. Once you learn how to do that, it is going to become as comfortable as walking across the street. When you're stepping across the road, it's as simple as just working out if there's any traffic or any other pedestrians or, you know, cyclists, and then you commit to walking across the street. You've done it so many times, you know how your feet will react and you know how quickly you can get across. In the car, it's very much the same. If you know the capability of your vehicle, it's going to be effortless after 50, 60 repetitions, moving forward and slowing down without getting too far, and making sure that you intermittently change the pressure on the brake pedal as well as the accelerator pedal. Just do this several times. Learn the capability of your car, whichever car you're driving. All the cars are slightly different and they handle differently. So for that reason, spend at least a few hours in the car that you're using for your driving assessments. Everything is difficult before it becomes easy, but every correct repetition will bring you closer to building your skills and never having trouble with stopping abruptly, potentially causing dangerous situations. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.